Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.